Welcome back to our channel CUTETURTLE Kidz TV. Today we learn 1 to 20 numbers with the help of apples. So let's start. 1. 1 for 1 apple. Next 2. 1 apple, 2 apple. Total 2 apple. 3. 3, 1, 2, 3. Total 3 apple. Next 4. So let's count 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 4 apple. Next 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 apple. Next 6. First row 1, 2, 3. In second row 4, 5, 6. Total 6 apple. Next 7. Let's count. In first row 1, 2, 3 apple. In second row 4, 5, 6 apple. And last one is 7. Total 7 apple. Next 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total 8 apples. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You see total 3 row and 3 each apple in every row. So total 9. Next 10. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total 10 apple. Next we learn 11. 1, 1, 11. So 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 apple. Next 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 apple total. 13. 1, 3, 13. So in first row 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Total 13 apple. Next 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Total 1, 4, 14 apple. Next 15 apple. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many apple is there? 15 apple is there. 1, 5, 15. Next 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. 1, 6, 16 apple. In next we'll learn 17. 1, 7, 17. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Next 1, 8, 18. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. 18 apples. Next, 19. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So total 19 apples, 19. And last 20. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Total 20 apples. So today we learned 1 to 20 numbers. So see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Till then, bye bye.